Good morning, everyone. Tommy Jordan from Twisted Networks. I just did something I thought I would share because when I first started this, I didn't know how to do it. For example, I have a project right now in low voltage where I have to figure out, now that I've put all my tasks on my map, how many cables are going to go to each IDF or each MDF closet. And I could manually count them all, but that would be an incredibly bad use of time. There's an easier way in Fieldwire to do that. There's multiple ways, but here's the way that I find the most convenient. And you use something called locations. So I'm going to go to plans. Let's just pick this plan here. In this particular building, I have an MDF in the basement. I have an IDF on the first floor over here. So while I haven't gone far enough yet as to actually 100% guarantee each of these drops is going to each of these closets, it certainly makes the most sense. So how do I figure out, of all these tasks, which ones go to which closet so I can calculate the density for my racks and patch panels? It's actually very simple, and it's going to use a feature Fieldwire calls locations. So I just come into one random task, and I've already done this here, but I'll show you again. And I make a thing called location. Every task is not going to have a location by default. So I can click this and hit Manage Locations. And I would come in here and type a new tier 1 location. And I'm going to, for example, say basement. This is not one that I need. I actually only need one called MDF, IDF2, and IDF1. But if you needed to know, for example, well, how many drops are on the first floor? Well, how many drops are on a wing of the third floor? You could make as many locations as you wanted to. So I've now made a few locations in my map. That's wonderful. Now, I'm going to select all of these and say, you can hit V as in Victor, or you can just click the select button. I'm going to highlight all of these tasks that are shown on the basement. Edit, 41 tasks. And I'm going to say these all go to the MDF. Now, obviously, I already had that there. It's not going to change anything for me, but it will change something for you. I'm going to hit Save Changes. And in this case, it was pretty much instant. So now I'm going to go to my tasks again. Here they all are. Filter my tasks by location. Just show me what goes to my MDF. And there you go. I have 22 dual runs, 11 cameras, 6 APs, and a quad. So that's 44, that's 55, 61, and that's a quad, 65 cables. Just like that, in real time, I determine how many cables I need for that floor. That tells me I need 3 patch panels, 3 cable managers, and now I know. So really convenient, easy way to do it. Hope you guys find it useful. Have a good day, y'all.